Hello, I am Souhruday Kalakota, a B.Tech Cybersecurity student from School of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence at UCSI University. One of the most enriching and enlightening experience in my academics has been selection for UCSI Global Immersion Program 2025.
Engaging and discussing with international peers and immersing myself in a vibrant culture and innovative learning environment has evolved me to learn something new beyond my course syllabus at every turn. My time at UCSI University has been truly invaluable.
I sincerely thank UCSI University for making this opportunity possible, and with special appreciation to Shashikala Madam, Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence,
Preeta Ma'am, the International Affairs Department, and all the mentors who have continually encouraged students like me to take beyond the classroom and pursue international opportunities. The journey has been greatly increased my confidence, broadened my views of world, and motivated to me achieve more.
I am proudful to represent UCSI University internationally and grateful to have life-changing experience.